Hey kids, have you ever imagined a world where robots can think and learn just like people? Well, that's not science fiction anymore, it's happening right now. Let's dive into the amazing world of artificial intelligence and how it's making robots smarter. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the science of making machines that can think like humans. AI is like giving robots a brain that helps them learn new things and make decisions. Just like how you learn from your school and friends, robots with AI learn from their experiences and data. They can recognize faces, understand speech, and even play games. How do robots learn? Robots with AI use something called machine learning to get better at their jobs. Machine learning is defined as a discipline of artificial intelligence that provides machines the ability to automatically learn from data and past experiences to identify patterns and make predictions with minimal human intervention. It's like practicing a sport or a musical instrument. The more they practice, the better they become. For example, a robot might practice picking up different objects until it can do it perfectly. Now, let's see how AI makes robots even cooler. Imagine you have a robot friend who can help you clean your room. With AI, this robot can see and recognize objects. AI helps robots understand what they see. They can recognize toys, books, and even your favorite snacks. Move and navigate. AI allows robots to move around without bumping into things. They can plan the best path to take, just like how you walk around furniture in your house. Talk and listen. Some robots can even talk and listen to you. AI helps them understand your words and respond. It's like having a conversation with a friend. Sensors and perception. Robots need to see and hear, just like us. They use sensors for that. This little guy has a camera to see and a microphone to hear. These sensors help robots understand what's happening around them. AI-powered robots in our world. Did you know AI is already in robots we see every day? Let's check out some cool examples. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate the roads, drones use AI to fly safely, and robot vacuums clean our homes, all by themselves. AI challenges for robots. Robots face lots of challenges too, like navigating a maze or understanding what we say. Scientists are working hard to help robots overcome these challenges, and you can help too by thinking of creative solutions. AI makes robots more helpful and fun. The future is bright, and AI is making it happen. Thanks for joining us on this AI in Robotics adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech fun. Till then, stay curious and keep imagining the amazing things AI and robots can do. Who knows, maybe one day you'll create the next big thing in robotics. Happy exploring!